Wow! And of course, in behalf of Daddy Francis, another gorgeous guy in the life of our birthday celebrant. Grandpa T, what is your simple message?
Stay healthy.
Wow! Of course. Thank you so much. Okay? Baby girl.
Always remember na Mommy and Daddy and Rafa loves you very much. And study well. Huwag masyadong pasaway. Be always a good girl. Huwag po naman crush-crush, ha? Oh, ano yan? Okay, yan. To our guests, family, friends, classmates, thank you po for spending this wonderful moment with us. In behalf of our family, si Francis, ako si Rafa, our parents, thank you po for coming and celebrating with us. Kahit na po traffic or whatsoever, thank you po for coming. I hope you had fun. Thank you po.
Say hello. Hello. Say hello, Angie. Yan na. Yan na. Yung say hello. Say hello.
Sana yung mga pangapangalan nila. Kung kanino galing.